What you are seeing now is a Power Query inside Microsoft Power BI, and we have this particular data that has this column with date. So if I convert this to the right data type now by clicking over to date here, I am going to see some couple of errors here. So what is going on? Let us quickly go ahead and take off this one and have it back to normal. Then let's see what happens inside Microsoft Excel. So right here inside Microsoft Excel, we still have the same exact issue right here, but let us come over to this particular part. So some system are some kind of set to United States date format, while some are set to United Kingdom date format. Like my own here is set to the UK date format. So for that, if I have the mixture of the US and the UK, there will be an error just like what you have seen. So for that, how do we actually solve this problem? We need to actually make sure we match the data we have, the date column, to the system date format. So I'm going to show you how to do this inside Power Query in Power BI, and as well come to Excel and show you how you can fix this inside Microsoft Excel. So over here, what you need to do is to make sure you click over this particular part here. So the drop down, come over to using local here. And now once we have done that, we can see here we have text, change the data type to dates. 100% correct. So now we need to change from this particular one to United Kingdom, which is this one. So once done, just go ahead and click on OK. So that has fixed this for you. You can close and apply and take the data to Power BI environment. So let us look at how we can solve the same thing inside Microsoft Excel. So inside Excel, what you need to do is to go over to data, and from data, we want to pick this data and actually have it inside Power Query that is existing inside Microsoft Excel. So click over from table. So now we have it here. We are going to follow the same process that we have done inside Power BI. So let's go over here and choose this one. So once done, let's click over here and click on date. Then over here, we have to scroll down until we see United Kingdom, like this one here. Then once done, click on OK. Fixed. Now to get the data to Excel back now, click over, close, and load. And now it has actually added a new sheet for us where we actually have our date correct 100%. Look at it. We have normal date format. This is how you can fix any date that has an error, specifically if the data is coming from a different region. So I believe this will definitely help someone. Please like and share, and if need be, you need to subscribe if you have not done that. See you in my next videos.